Vericom's VW3 Series wall mount cabinets are a perfect solution for a variety of networking, AV, and security installations. Compatible with all standard 19-inch EIA equipment, these cabinets are packed with features that make setting up and maintaining equipment a breeze, including a lockable, removable, and reversible front door, removable side panels, and a removable 12-inch by 12-inch rear panel for in-wall cable entry. This video will walk you through the cabinet assembly process. Vericom's VW3 Series wall mount cabinets comes with the following pieces: bottom panel, back panel, front frame, top panel, side panels, and door. The hardware included is grounding hardware, 2 M5 by 15 mm screws, 4 M5 nuts, 15 M5 by 10 mm screws, and 4 latches. First, attach the back panel to the bottom panel with 4 M5 by 10 mm screws. Use 2 M5 by 10 mm screws and M5 nuts to secure the front frame to the bottom panel. The position of the front frame is adjustable to accommodate various equipment depths. Set the top panel into place. Use 2 M5 by 10 mm screws to secure the top panel to the back panel. Use 2 M5 by 10 mm screws and M5 nuts to secure the top panel to the front frame. Secure the latches to the front corners of the frame with M5 by 10 mm screws. Use the spring hinges on the side panels to secure them to the sides of the frame. Attach one side of the grounding hardware to the grounding post on the side panel with an M5 nut. Use 1 M5 by 10 mm screw to connect the other end of the grounding hardware to the bottom panel. Connect the grounding cable. Then use the latches to secure the side panels closed. Install the other side panel following the same steps. Attach the door using the 2 M5 by 14 mm screws. Use 1 M5 by 10 mm screw to secure one side of the grounding hardware to the door. Secure the other end of the grounding hardware with the M5 by 10 mm screw that is holding the nearest latch. Connect the grounding cable. For more information on Vericom's VW3 Series fixed wall mount cabinets, contact us today.